kid.
Oh.
How is that French toast?
Not a picture.
How did that turn into French toast? Fuzz.
Is it?
Oh my kid, that's unreal. That's hair right there. Juice. Oh my god. Yuck.
That's how you set up right there in the middle.
Looks like a cake.
It is. It's a.
Dude, what was in there?
You'll give someone
What was in there?
$50 right now if they eat it.
Hell no. I wouldn't
It
do
was
it for
fruit?
$1 million.
Yeah.
Let me see the fruit. Oh, you're a maniac.
Dude, it stinks so bad.
Oh,
You smell it, man?
yeah, I just did, dude. And I almost puked. Oh, it dripped. It's dripping on Dodge.
Of course.
Oh. Oh. That's it.